Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. So, welcome po. Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, kung nasaan man po tayong sulok ng daigdig. So, September 1 to 7 ang reading natin, Pisces. Knock, knock, knock. So, hope is everybody's well, mga OFW. Merong sneaky. Merong kang, yan yung mga, mga kabataang gustong bumili ng something and magbumili ng kung ano man yung alam nyo na underage. Yan, ganyan yung energy niyan. So, meron ka bang planong not something illegal or masama or something na nasa ano lang ano ba yung sa tawag natin sa mga bata na spoiled na mayroong kalokohan minsan na hindi nila alam, nakakasakit sila. Yung tipong I remember nung kabataan ko, naglalakad ako sa mababang paaralan ng lugar namin, and yung mga bahay na magaganda, may mga doorbell yan. Ipe-press namin, tsaka tatakbo kami. Yes. Mga ganong tipo na energy. So, Pisces. Tingnan natin. Ingat po tayo sa baha. Sa Pilipinas, kung nagpabakasyon tayo, hope yung mga kapatid natin, kamag-anak na nasa Pilipinas ay hindi apektado. Hindi nanus sa akin yung baha na yan. Kolehiyo pa ako, naglalakad na ako. Kaya walang pagbabago sa Pilipinas, sa totoo lang. Kaya ako iniwanan, nabuisit din ako dyan. Yes, we're ready to move. Mga nag-a-apply sa bagong project o hinihintay mo, or you're in your family now, na-commit mo na yung savings mo and you like to migrate and move forward. Tama ba? Hinihintay mo na lang yung visa, yung mga dokumento. Or you want to move in together with your yung boyfriend or girlfriend dyan na nakilala. Si sir, si ma'am. Meron ganyan, di ba? Yung na-inlove yung boss or something. There's a story of that. September 1 to 7, Pisces. Tignan natin kung ano yung message ni Tarot. So, wag nating seryosohin po yung Tarot card. It's a depiction of life natin. Depende lang sa ating timeline. Pero it can give you some important message. So, how you gonna move forward. You want to be the star. You want to connect yung higher purpose mo. Alam mo na what's your higher purpose in life, and that would lead you. Okay? Alam mo na, hinihintay mo para makuha mo. That's how simple it is, Pisces. Or hindi mo pa alam. It can work both ways. Sabi ko sa inyo, or hindi mo pa alam. Hindi mo alam mo pa tutunguhan mo. Or very abstract pa. Yes, meron mga ganyan. It can work on sa career, sa relationship, o sa mga kamag-anak, kapatid, pamilya, and everything. Yung dynamics na yan. Pisces, tingnan natin kung ano itong sitwasyon na ito. Alam mo na, or hindi mo pa alam, gusto mong pumunta roon, hindi mo alam kung paano pumunta, tingnan natin, lagyan natin ng picture yung na yan. Oops. Dahil meron ka hinihintay na message, or pinag-training ka para sabi ng boss mo, kailangan natin ng AI. Okay. And ikaw yung namuno, kailangan mo ng knowledge, kasi i-communicate mo yan sa ite-train mo yan kailangan may bagong position dito, pero kailangan natin supervisor. Okay, ikaw na yung star, mag-lead niyan. Okay, ito yung gawin mo. Pero wala kang kaalaman or kailangan mo ng mentorship, and you have to do that kasi nga ikaw yung magre-relay ng ganyang situation. Yung connection ng star to that other, the communication, and that element is the wisdom also. Pero wala ka pang the knowledge to to achieve that. So, meron bang away na naman sa opisina o sa pamilya? Ayan o, pamilya na naman. So, magpahinga ka. You're on a reset mode. Kasi alam mong may darating. May darating ba? I can see this one is the connection of your heart space. Ano ito eh? Pinagdasal mo na ito eh. Maaring nasaktan ka ba? Or kulang pa dun sa ina-ambition mo? Ayan, no? That's why I gusto ko itong Light Seer Tarot. I can see some connectivity on the element. You need to kailangan to fight on what you believe in. Yeah. Kasi nga yun ang yun ang goal mo, whatever that is. Well, ang simple lang naman 'yan eh. That's the fulfilling happy family or your workspace and environment. And you want to move and you're waiting for that one, hindi mo pa makuha dahil ang parang magulo. Meron mang ganyan. So, kailangan mo mag-reset at this stage. September 1 to 7. I think you need to step back. I think this is what it means. You need to step back. Step back. Maraming element na movement itong September kasi siguro doon sa Mercury retrograde. May mga delay eh. May mga delay. Ito yung mga, kung ano may na-delay, na hinihintay, biglang boom, biglang nagdatingan siya. Totoo yan. Correct? And minsan hindi ka ready. Pero sa situation mo, Pisces, hindi, you don't, I think ready ka. So, you just need to reset for the meantime kasi na-stress ka sa dami ng ng personality around you. Correct? Pero alam mo na yung patutunguhan mo na yan is for that abundance. Kung negosyo ito, alam mo na, nakita mo na ito eh. Nakita mo, marami lang personality na nakaka-affect. Maaring or kailangan mo ng guidance. Meron bang Libra sa paligid mo? Libra or Aquarius or a Gemini. Meron ka bang ganyan? Or sa placement mo? I can see the air sign here. Pisces. Pisces is a water sign. O ikaw yung na-overwhelm. O ikaw yung na-overwhelm dito. Dahil nga sa madaming personality, I do not know kung ano yung mga character na nasa paligid mo na yan. Nadadilute ka. O ikaw yung nagdadilute sa kanila. But kung ano man itong pupuntahan mo na ito, it's a win-win ito. Win-win ito, Pisces. Meron bang love offer? I don't think it's a love offer. It's an existing solid relationship. Kumbaga sa trabaho, solid ka na dyan eh. Mahal ka ng amo mo, mahal ka ng office mate mo, pero meron ka pang parang inassign sa'yo. Mga ganun tipo. More responsibility. Kasi nga parang nakita kanila na you are the star. Meron maganyang Pisces. You are the star here. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay, kuha pa ako ng card. Tignan natin yung life story. Chismis tayo. So, ano po ba yung niluto natin ngayong weekend? So, ako'y tapos na ako mag-laundry. Sinabi ko na ba yun? Tapos na ako mag-laundry. Mamaya siguro pupunta ako sa mall. Bibili ako ng grocery. Yes? So, tignan natin yung life story ni Pisces. You're a star eh. Ito yung tipo sa opisina ng masunuri na empleyado. parang nabobore ka na ba dyan? Routine can be boredom. Agree? Aminin ko yan, pati ako rin. Yes. Okay? Ito yung silent worker type. Not everybody have that discipline. Hindi biro ang magsaka, ha? Okay, that's a simple one. Lalo yung merong grapes na kayo, seasonality at nagbababagyo. It can cause also yung undue, miscommunication. O yun ang kinakatakot mo. I don't say na you are scared on that one. I think you're ready for this movement. Masaya ito eh. Masaya ito, Pisces. Nabore ka? Oh. Oops, hindi ko ito kukunin. Kuha pa tayo. Tignan natin ko tayo. And then we check the oracle card. Yes, okay. This is what I want. Meron kang inalchemy. Yung magician. Meron ka bang pusa? You see that black cat? Meron ka bang ganyan? Pisces is a water sign. Then magaling din kayong mag-alchemy. Yeah, when I say your alchemy, yung dream mo na yan, I do have nagkaibigan din ako na Pisces friend na maganda rin yung trabaho niya sa kumpanya. Decision maker. Yung tipong you're good in, let's say, if you're an artist, you're a good painter. Ganyan tipo na makakabenta ka ng artwork mo. Okay? Now, you are moving to that direction. I think you're ready for that. That's why you are on the reset mode. You've been doing this kind of planning, or you don't have a plan. Yes, I think this is the only issue that I can see this here. Very straightforward na reading sa'yo. Wala kang plano. How to go to that direction. Okay? You just work, you just doing what you need to do. You know kung ano man itong binubuo mo. Okay? You know that it will lead you to more abundance. Agree? There is some influence somehow, or support group. I consider this as support group or advice yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, nakaka-apekto yan kaya nagkakaroon ka ng a sort of yan yung exchange of idea na minsan hindi naman nakakabuti. Okay? Sometimes it can be draining, to be honest. Yes? But you only taking them like a grain of salt. I don't think hindi mo siya masyadong dinidibdib na tipo. Pisces, you are alam mo yung yung power mo, yung energy mo na ayaw mong ma-consume to nonsense anymore. Because of this, alam mo yung na-master mo na yung craft mo. I think you also thinking na bakit naman ako do I still need that? That kind of thing. Tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, do I still need that? Okay? But there are some push to do it because wala silang nakita nila na ikaw lang yung may kakayahan to do that. Family business wise, ikaw na yung tagapagmana. Ganun tipo. It's not for all. You are meant to go to that direction. Maaring may mga conflict because ayaw ng mister. Alam mo yung tipong ganyan, correct? Yun ang ano mo lang, yun lang ang pinagkakaabalahan mong isipin. Yun lang yung pinagkakaabalahan mong isipin. Maaring si mister, ganun tipo. Pero you are destined to do that, to go that way. Alam mo yung craft mo master mo na yung craft mo and you're having a question of, do I need to do that? Or maybe, okay, sige na nga, ipahinga ko muna. You're trying to connect yung puso mo, knowing Pisces and the water sign, na humihingi ng validation sa puso. Agree? Pero you have the air element, somebody is telling you, maybe the husband or the wife, and you have the fire here, or maybe it's you who's creating that, because you know na kapag kinuha mo if you move to that direction, yun ang leadership skill ability mo. Lahat tayo may leadership ability. Iba-iba nga lang ng level. Okay, leader ka sa kitchen, communication lang yung importante. Yeah. Meron mga ganyan. Ako, Pisces, previously very heavy yung more on family-oriented yung nababasa ko kay Pisces. Parang din to, continuation ng isa. There was this previous reading talking about the inheritance. Kadugtong ba ito? Kasi you're gonna lead on that one. There's an inheritance na issue. Yun yung nakita ko. And moving to that direction, this one is moving, another movement. Anything that we do or we decide, it's a movement somewhere. Pero kung yung movement na yun, hinihintay mo ba o hindi? That's something. Tama po ba, Pisces? Meron bang ganyan? Yeah. Ang nakikita ko pa dito, it's a happy home and a happy life. Sana all. Ito yung tipong bumabagsak sa'yo sa alam mo yung naging topic ko rin to with few friends bakit sabi ko, bakit ako yung naglalakad sa baha or what, yung mga ganun tipo, and then you look at some people, parang bang they have an easy life. Yes, kasi nakita lang natin na yun nga, easy. Habang tayo nakapila tayo sa kung saan sa ang mga requirements para makalipad ng ibang bansa. Agree? And this type of energy, ayan na ano pang hahanapin mo? Sabi dito, you have all the tools, You have the tools. You have all the elements of what you need. Maaring yung nanay mo, ikaw yung nagpo-push ng idea na yan. Ikaw yung nagpo-push ng idea. Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Kulang ako ng but it's something good. Ang overall theme ko dito is something na i-reset mo yung i-reset mo yung heart space mo, yung nararamdaman mo, kasi si Pisces nga nag-decide yan sa emotion minsan Agree? So yung balance noon, minsan mag-decide ka sa emotion hindi maganda yan. Pisces, tama po ba yan? Meron bang ganyan? Kulang tayo, tignan natin yung sabi ng oracle. Oops, sandali, hindi siya ay, sorry. Ko lang, ulitin ko. Nagkabali-baliktad, sorry. Okay, Pisces. Oh, okay. I have 2 here. Tignan natin. Meron ka bang kaibigang Leo? Okay, sabi dito, all red ito Tignan natin. Ayusin ko yung camera. It is an important time to guard against being self-centered, over-opinionated, or pushy. I think alam ko na ito. Ayan ito ka yung black cat mo You're a queen. You know, it's a diva. Connect with a Leo. Okay? Okay, another one. Okay. Sabi dito, let go of that which is causing you inner turmoil. Now is a time for casting away emotions that are no longer serving you. Okay. Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Okay, ito na yung pagiging pushy. No longer serving you. Okay? So, is that the reason why they're all red color? Kaya kailangan mag-reset ka? Yeah. So, watch out for the Leo and the waning moon. So, but it's going to be a good one. I'm not saying that it's gonna be all happy or ano, but you have all the tools to move to that direction. That's what you're looking for. I don't think that that's what you're looking for actually. Tama ba? Kung maka-resonate. Yeah, oh, you have 10-10. 10-10. Did I say October 10? If that's something that significant to you. Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? So, yeah. So, September 1 to 7, Pisces. So, yeah, hope everybody's well and have a great weekend po sa inyong lahat. See you again.